Okay, hi guys, so today I'm actually going to be showing you how to actually do the glitch where you can actually get the boombox for free for not 10,000 Robux and like a bunch of other items like this. I mean, it's right there, but and like that and upgrading, downgrading design. Yeah, so I'm going to just be showing you it. So, the first step is to go to the shop. That's where the key is, right? So you need to go to Repeatable, and you see the new silver key. Oh well, someone bought it. Well, so then you have the silver key. So you wanna click buy. How much do I have? 5,000. So I click buy. So now X. Now I have a key right here. So you might be thinking you want to use the key, right? You want to use the key, but don't. And the sky is in my face. But don't use it. So then you gotta leave the server, okay? Leave the server. Yeah, just ignore these people. Okay, so then you leave the server, and then you join a new server. Let me get a server. This server. Some servers might not work. So, whenever you join the server, you will still have the key. See, it's right here. It has no thumbnail. You will still have the key. Watch. Here we go. We have the key. And now watch. Someone's doing the glitch. Well, everyone's doing the glitch. Okay, so then you put the key in, right? So then now you can get the dominoes. But I had 2 keys because I had bought 2. So yeah, then you get the dominoes, right? So now watch. Now you leave the server again, and you can literally server hop to like this server right here. And you'll still have the key. It's really OP. See? Watch, I'll still have the key. You see, I still have the key. And since I bought 2, like, you can buy multiple, and then, like, I saw some people with, like, 10. And, like, every drop you do of the chest, it's, like, 1,000 dominoes, so it's really cool. And you can just multiply your dominoes with it. Yeah, and that's all. Yes, I am. And that's all, basically. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, because this is a really nice tutorial on how to get the boombox for free, not 10,000 Robux, and how to get, like, any other object, like, let me see, items, like user lookup, jet ski, speed orb. You can get any VIP, pets, golden scooter, balloons, apartment, wish list, trade booth, and golden hoverboard. You can get all of those just with this glitch. So make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.